In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Figma 2025. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in so you can access your work. Once you're in, open the specific file or page where your design lives. Make sure the image you want to make clickable is already on the canvas and sized and positioned exactly how you want it. It's much easier to set up the link once the image is finalized. Now we'll create the clickable area. Select the text tool or simply press the T key and draw a text box that fully covers your image. Don't worry, we're not adding visible text to your design. The text box is just going to act like an invisible hotspot. With that text box selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see a link option. Click the field, paste the URL you want people to visit, and press enter. That attaches your link to the text layer you just placed over the image. Because we don't actually want to see text on top of the image, make the text box non-distracting. In the right sidebar, reduce the font size to something very small so nothing shows up visually. You can also set the text color to something subtle or reduce its opacity so it blends away. The idea is to keep the layer active for clicks but invisible to the eye. If you still see any tiny speck of text, there's another quick trick. Right-click your image and choose Bring to Front. This places the image above the text box, visually hiding it. Just keep in mind, layer order affects interactivity. If the image completely covers the text box, the link might not respond in a prototype. If that happens, undo or adjust the order so the linked text box remains on top, while still appearing invisible due to the tiny font size or low opacity. The goal is a clean design where the image looks untouched, but the overlay is what actually holds the link. When you're done, it's a good idea to preview. Click Present to open the prototype view, hover over the image, and click to confirm it opens the correct URL. If it doesn't, revisit the layer order and ensure the linked text box is above the image and spans the full area you want clickable. That's it. You've effectively turned your image into a clickable link in Figma using a discrete text box overlay. Save your file and you're ready to share or hand off your design with a built-in link.